Oh, you see that? Apparently the train that I'm traveling is on fire. Yes, I'm not kidding. Everybody's down there. Yep. Motherfucking train is on fire. Yo, how come these things are not there? And I was in college, man. Look at this shit. Look at this, man. And 4 years I was here, this wasn't there. Really? I got this. I mean this. Food court. Bombetaga. I don't know, man. Just Ronaldo fans. Is it Mbappe? I don't know. And check this. The freaking car in here. And this was not there when I was here. Radiography lab. A radiography lab, students gallery, freaking car. Spikes. We even have a spa. These things weren't there when I was here. Yeah, that's wild. When did they construct a new Buddha statue? Look at this. A new Buddha statue. They're currently constructing this, probably be done in a month, I guess. The classical fountain with the Gandhi University. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. I think my classroom was one of these. I remember one of my classroom was in this, the 4th floor. So that's ground floor, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, the uppermost floor, it was there. That's the architecture building. Damn. Hey, look at that. Look at that, I'm back in my own university, everybody. And I'm recording this in ultra wide because otherwise no way I'm gonna capture the whole of it. And this just the first building. I don't know. Happy journey.
For her future endeavors.
Future endeavors. Back to back. I'm pretty sure the pilot is recording me too. That's the first one. That's the second one. There's the first one. It's blowing away.
Okay. Okay. Rolling. Rolling. Oh.
See that?
Nice.
That's one down, baby.
Nice, boy.
Nice, right? Wow, I'm freaking sniping. I'm sniping.
Snipe pareho.
Okay, call it, baby.
Top deck. First left. Top deck, first left. Okay, it was second left, but it's okay. Take your time. Nice, baby.
All in all, man.
কেনেকুৱা ধুনীয়া শ্বট দিছে একদম ল'ৰা একদম টাইম লৈ পেলাই স্নাইপ দিছে দেই কেইটা গ'ল কেইটা গ'ল Sweet.
Nice. That's one to go. That's one. That's two down. Two down. Right to the third one. That's 3 in a row. Good. 4. Feel the bird, man. Feel the bird. Nice. That's 5 down. 5 down. Nice. First miss. We have a miss. Yeah, there we go. Nice. At least you got it. Review that. I missed 0 targets. He missed 2. He missed 2. It's okay, fine. Happens. You know, happens to the best of us. Giant ass. All right.
জীৱনৰ প্ৰথমবাৰ
Elephant ride. That's right, everybody.
না ই কৰিছে মোৰ প্ৰথমবাৰ
We're going for an elephant ride. Look at the view, though. Look at the view. Middle of nowhere.
চাম্পা
If we fall, she's not moving.
মন যোৱা নাই নেকি
Oh,
nice intelligent
very intelligent.
Richard
Yeah,
wow দেখিছ
But this is insanity, man. This is insanity right there. Hey, who sits where? I sit at the back.
এইটো
I see. Lydia. Okay, shoes are off. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, yo, we're elephant ride, everybody.
Elephant ride oh my god this is dancing
Give me the POV shot, man.
dancing
Oh my god.
oh this is like dance
I wish there was someone from the bottom.
this is like dance
Take a POV shot. Take a POV shot.
hey
Oh, hi.
yes where is she
Whoa, okay. Oh, look at this. I got a free view of the swimming pool. I wanted to go there, but it's not even deep. It ain't deep. Oh, that you see.
ল'ৰা ছোৱালী এনেকুৱা লাগিছে এতিয়া হাতী বুলিহে ডাইনছৰ পিঠিত যদি ৰাইড কৰিলোঁ What about that man What about that
No, so people pay to go on elephant rides.
Of course why not কি বস্তু এইটো
Right. We are currently on top of the elephant.
yeah
It's a she.
we're going back to the rendezvous য'ত উঠিছিলোঁ তাতে নামিম ন
No shoes. We have to take off the shoes. So what we do after that? All right.
okay Champaji
Okay. Back side first. Look how big this guy is. Whoa. Yeah. Look at the height difference. It's big. Whoa. Big guy.
big girl
Where we gonna go? Oh, for one second I thought this was a actual woman. That's a statue. Yo, everybody's raining. It must be a Canon event because while coming, I kind of disrespected her, showing the Illuminati sign, and now it's raining. It's raining all over. It's a Canon event, so I triggered this rain. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's so sweet. Jaldi. A lot of people today. Independence Day.